Welcome to the Extend Academy.
So you can actively update virtual cards, you can deactivate them, but another option is to have the person you sent it to, the recipient, request updates from you. They can do that on their end in their account, and this is what it's going to look like for you as an admin. So when you are back at your dashboard, you'll see something like this: requests, pending requests. You can click into pending requests, and you'll see this is the card that we just sent, the fall conference, and we can click in there to get more information. So it looks like in this case, the recipient needs a little more money. We'll check through the request to see if that's something that makes sense to us. And then we'll have the option to either approve or reject the request. So in this particular case, the recipient, Cheyenne, has asked for an extra $1,000 for the conference. I'm going to approve that, and I can do that just by clicking this button. I also could click this button, but I'm going to do this one. So once I've done that, the card is automatically updated. The recipient gets an email that the request was approved, and we're good to go. I can go back to the cards, and you'll see here I have that $11,000 instead of the $10,000. It's another way to take the onus off you as an admin.
To learn more, visit our Help Center.